In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Bing. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Bing homepage. If you normally use Microsoft Edge, that works perfectly, but any major browser should do the job. You can also access Bing through the Bing mobile app if you're signing in on a phone or tablet. The process is very similar either way, so once you're on the Bing home screen, you're ready for the next step. Now look toward the upper right corner of the Bing homepage and find the Sign In button. This is the main entry point for accessing your Microsoft account on Bing. Click or tap that button to continue. Once you do, Bing will redirect you to the Microsoft sign-in page, which is where you'll enter your account details securely. On the Microsoft sign-in page, type in your Microsoft account information. This can be your email address, your phone number, or your Skype ID, depending on how your account is set up. After entering that information, click Next to move forward. Make sure the information is entered correctly, since even a small typo can prevent you from signing in successfully. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, this is also where you can choose the option to create one. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account before returning to the sign-in process. That can be helpful if you're new to Microsoft services and want to use Bing with personalized features. Next, enter your Microsoft account password. Take your time here and make sure it's typed accurately, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, numbers, or special characters. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, you'll also need to complete that extra verification step. Depending on your security settings, this could involve entering a code sent to one of your devices or approving the sign-in through another verification method. Once your credentials have been verified, the login process will finish automatically. You should then be returned to Bing, now signed into your Microsoft account. A profile icon will appear in the upper right corner of the page, and that's the easiest way to confirm that your login was successful. And that's it. You've now logged into Bing. Once signed in, you can access a more personalized experience across